there's that on that. So I don't know if I'm even gonna post this. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Jayla, and as you can tell by today's title, we are trying the viral blowout method from TikTok. This is what it looks like. I think it popped off a little bit. I could have done some things differently, and let me know at the end of this video what you think I could have done differently. Yeah, if you want to see how I did this or my regular blowout, just keep on watching. Of course, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the video. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna show you how to do my blowouts first, and then I'm gonna get into the viral way to do them.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. I'm naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat, we're lose women. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on. Because I realize I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my home. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong. Because I realize I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never find myself.
All right, y'all, that is my regular blowout. It's not as good as it normally is because I did it while it was a little too wet, but it's just about exactly how it lays though. You get what I'm saying? Like, not flat, but not bouncy either. You get what I'm saying? So it's not bad, not terrible. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the way that everyone's doing on TikTok, with where you have rollers and you have a hair bow. That's all you need. You also need a curler. People have been using the Dyson or like the Shark little air wrap. I personally don't have that. I'm not paying for that for a video. I'm not paying for that in general because my curling wand works just as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those things, and then I'm gonna start and show you guys how to do it. All right, y'all, so I got these 2 things of rollers. I have pretty long hair, so I want to go ahead and do it the right way. So the first one, let me go ahead and first. So you part it in the front, like where what they call it, your money piece goes. And I'm gonna just clip that, and then you pull your hair up into a ponytail. You do it really high on top of your head. I don't want to do it that tight because I don't want to crease. Okay. Now that you like a Barbie, you have this front piece out. Would that be a vibe? That'd be a look. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and curl the front piece. We're going to take my rollers out though. I hate when they don't want you to get in. Okay, so I'm gonna take the size roller, the bigger one. I'm gonna, and okay. We're gonna curl away from our head. Away from our head, y'all. You let it sit for however long you normally do, or want to, whatever. So we'll leave it there for a second. And let's try it. F it. Okay, so that's this one. I'm just clip right here, I guess. Yeah, okay. So for the next part, pretty easy. You just curl and do the same thing you did with this one. All the pieces back here. I burned the piss out of my finger just now. Oh, that hurts. Okay, that's one. A little ridiculous, but it's gonna come out so cute. All right, y'all, makeup is done. Time for the moment of truth. Let's see, okay. We'll take these out first. Where's this one? This is not looking promising. Take this out. Oh, that hurts. Oh, that looks like crap. Mm-mm. Okay, it's not terrible, but it's not what needs to be done. I mean, it's not bad. I think I'm supposed to take the rollers out different. So there's that on that. So I don't know if I'm even gonna post this. All right, y'all, that is it for trying the viral curling thing. I really don't know if I like it better, and maybe I should have used the regular curling iron, but we're on a budget, you're on a budget. Okay, so I'll see you guys later. Bye.